Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 1992 for 2 marks. Basically this question is based on special case of fins. This special case already we have taken in theory lectures. Now if you have seen my theory lecture, this special case, you can directly tell the answer, right? And here also we are not going to prove this result because already we have taken this. It will be the waste of time to prove this special case. Now here the question is, two rods, one of length L and other of length 2L, are made of same material and have same diameter. Now here there are two rods. Here there are two rods. First is of length L, right, having diameter same, that is diameter D. Let us say this is the first rod of diameter D and length L, and the other is of 2L, same material and same diameter, right? Other is of 2L. Let us say this is of 2L and diameter is same again, right? Here diameter is same, D and 2L. Then the two ends of the longer rod are maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. Now here these both ends of the longer rod, let us say this end and this end, let us say on this end temperature is T1, on this end temperature is T2, and both ends are maintained at same temperature, that is T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T0, which is 100 degrees Celsius base wall temperature. Here for this rod there are two base, right? This is one base and this is another base, right? One end of the shorter rod is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. Again for this shorter rod, one end is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore again here T0 is 100 degrees Celsius, right? Then while the other end is insulated, for this shorter rod, this end is insulated. This end is insulated, right? Then insulated. The temperature at the insulated end for the shorter rod is measured to be 55 degrees Celsius. Now here on this insulated end, the temperature for shorter rod is 55 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature at the midpoint of the longer rod would be, right? One statement we have missed, both the rods are exposed to the same environment. Now here for both rod environment is same, that is T infinity, surrounding fluid temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, it is given, right? And here the insulated end temperature for the shorter rod is 55 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the midpoint of the longer rod would be, now here for this longer rod at midpoint means it is having length 2L, therefore from T1 it is at distance L, from T2 it is at distance L. Midpoint means from both sides it is at equidistance, right? And my dear students, here if I cut this rod into two separate rods, because such type of problems we have solved by considering it as a two fins, right? One fin from T1 to this end and from T2 to this end another fin. Now it is exactly at the center, therefore can I say here it is T1 and length L or diameter D, right? And another is here it is T2, again length L and diameter D, right? But my dear students, in reality there is, these are same, means they are combined together. In reality they are combined together, they are not separate. That means this end for both we have to assume insulated, this end for both we have to assume insulated, and in reality it is insulated only because they are joined together, they are not separate. Now let us observe here. Now for this shorter rod, base wall temperature is 100. For this shorter rod, if I divide this rod into two rods, for both shorter rods of length L diameter D, the base wall temperature is same, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Surrounding is same, diameter is same, length is same, everything is same. Insulated end is also same. Therefore, my dear students, this end temperature for both rods must be equal to 55 degrees Celsius as like previous case. Therefore, exactly at center the temperature will be 55 degrees Celsius. That is option C will be the correct choice. Now my dear students, if they ask you the temperature at any other end, right, instead of at center, if they ask you at any other end, that is at distance L1 from T1 and at distance L2 from T2 at different end, then we have to go for calculations, right, by considering these from T1 to of length L1 as a one fin with insulated end, and from T2 to of length L2 another fin of insulated end. By considering this, we are doing calculation, right? But for this question, very special case, answer is C. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic, which was asked in previous year GATE examination.